Hey everyone! In this quick Roblox Studio tutorial, I'll show you how to add a plugin fast, in less than 1 minute. Plugins can save you tons of time when building games, so let's jump right in. First, open Roblox Studio and load any project, or just start a new base plate. At the top of the screen, click the Plugins tab. This is where all installed plugins will appear. Now click Manage Plugins. Click Add button to navigate to Plugins search window, or open the toolbox and switch to the Marketplace section. In the search bar, type the name of the plugin you want, for example, Building Tools or Archivable Tools. Click the plugin you like, then press Install or Get. And that's it. The plugin installs instantly. Go back to the Plugins tab and you'll see your new plugin ready to use. Click it once to activate and you're good to go. And that's how you add a plugin in Roblox Studio fast. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Roblox dev tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.